Okay, everyone. This is going to be part 3, the final part of Survivor. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video if you've enjoyed the other 2 so far. Well, now let's get into it. What? Who voted me?
Bobby, you missed the tribal council, so it voted for you automatically.
Yeah, stupid.
Sorry, I had to do something.
Stupid, you take too long to go. That was Jack.
Okay, I really hope I don't...
Bobby, you're
Jacob.
Bobby, I might get voted out.
Wait, how many votes did you have? Oh, no! How many votes?
I have 2 votes.
No. Oh, who is it? Who is it? Yes! Oh my gosh, that was so close. Oh, Grant. Oof.
It's because Jaden voted for me.
Jaden!
I love how only I got voted once.
I don't know. I don't remember how many times
Wait,
I got voted. For a second, my face looked like I was really surprised. I don't know why. At least in the game, I'm not sure.
Bobby, you
Why me, guys? Highs. What was that? Why me? Highs. Well, we're obviously gonna do it if you misspell a word. Oh, I was about to think. I was thinking that it was actually gonna be a double.
I don't know what you...
I thought it was gonna be a double one.
I'm angry at Jake because he voted for me. Oh my god, what the heck? I'm angry at Jake because he voted for me, so,
didn't
yeah.
mess up the recording.
Vote Jake next time, okay?
Okay, vote Jake. Got it.
Spin.
Vote Jake. This one! King of the Hill!
Oh, okay, so we're at this weird pyramid.
It's King of the Hill.
Oh,
How-
God.
what do you have to
So
do?
like you have like this bat and you
My
just hit
my
people off.
recording kind of like.
Yeah, guys. How
I'm
about
good
we?
at doing
how about-
these because
How about we split our recordings into
I
like 2 to
was good
3
at
parts?
these.
How about we split our recordings to 2 to 3 parts, so that like.
I am not gonna do that. I'm gonna make it one long episode.
Okay, I'm making it 3 parts. Like I'm making it 2 to 3 parts. Matters on how long it is.
So the thing that you want to do with these is don't even hit anyone. Just try to stay at the top for as long as you can.
Oh yeah, so my recording kind of like blew.
Shoot. Bobby, I'm sorry.
Grant, no.
Bobby, you have a
You
dead.
got hit every man.
No one's getting hit off.
How do you even do this?
I don't know. It's actually the first time no one's fallen off.
Oh yeah, guys, this is a kid.
Kid friend.
And they all think I said the F word, but like all like
You guys can
only
literally
Grant was
resume
cursing.
Part 1 of the game, and you can just check out to see if Jaden
Let me
did
stand
say.
up.
Oh my gosh, guys!
Guys, get Jake
Oh
on.
my gosh, I almost fell
Me
off.
and Bob.
I almost fell off. Oh my gosh, calm down, y'all.
Hit Jake
Bobby,
off. Shoot. I fell off. I'm gonna lose all my time.
Bobby Wobby.
I'm gonna lose. Hit Jake off. Get Jake and Rowan off. They're gonna win if you don't get them off,
I
Bobby.
can't get them off.
I don't think you understand how crucial this is. I know you can. You gotta do it.
Get Jake off. He has so many.
You gotta do it, Bobby.
I have like 74.
Hit Jake
Oh,
off.
I almost fell
Hit
off.
him.
I
Bobby,
can't.
hit
I'm on
him.
the ground. Oh! I almost lost
You,
all my.
you noob.
Wait, who won?
I lost because of you, Bobby.
Oh, Jake won. Oh, come on. How many points? Jake had like 1 more second than me. I was really
I
trying.
lost because of you, Bobby. Because you didn't help me. We
was
lost because of
trying.
you.
I was trying. Grant.
No, you weren't.
very
You weren't trying hard
I
enough.
was trying as hard as I could, but I just kept falling over. I was just literally on the platform.
No, you weren't. You weren't trying hard enough.
You didn't try hard enough. You sweaty try hard.
James says, and he's not even in the game anymore because his recording stopped.
My game kind of like crashed
Why?
because my dad called me.
Oh. Makes a lot of sense.
I don't know.
Bobby, we need to team up and vote someone.
Hurry up and vote someone stupid.
I'm probably, I'm actually scrapping all this
What?
footage because it's not good.
Why?
Because
Are me and Jaden gonna be the only ones?
Because of you.
Why am I the problem? Grant, I literally tried as hard as I could.
Because I'm gonna get voted off because of
Okay,
you.
Grant, if you don't get voted off, will you not?
I'm getting voted off
If you
because of
don't get
you.
voted off,
Oh, I
if you
bet.
don't get voted off,
I'm betting you I'm gonna get
if you don't
voted
get
off.
voted off, will you not delete the footage?
where's
Yes.
the
You will not delete the footage.
But if I do get voted off, I'm not recording with you ever again.
me?
Grant, it's not
No, Bobby.
vote Jake.
Oh my God, my game is so
Vote Jake.
laggy. Why?
Jake has immunity, you idiot.
Vote. I forgot. Vote who? Who is? We can't vote Jacob, obviously. But who are we voting off then?
Jack.
Vote Rowan 321.
But vote Jack.
Okay,
Vote
so
Jack.
then
Vote
for
Jack. Vote Jack. Vote Jack off. Vote Jack off.
Okay.
I'm just editing one of my videos.
Okay, Jaden. Are you editing the rest of your video?
This is real stressful.
Jack, I voted
No,
Jack.
I'm finishing me
voted
and Grant's
Jack.
video. Because
Because you're too good.
Bobby, I'm stressing.
Hold on, guys, I may have to leave.
But he's
call.
not good.
Vote car.
You're trying to get Grant off.
Oh my gosh. No, I said don't.
Yeah, Bobby's trying to
I
vote
said
me
don't
out.
vote car. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Grant, you know what?
It's
Jack,
too late.
You want to know?
Oh, I got
Did you get
voted.
voted off?
I got voted. I was probably voted by Jack. Grant got voted. Not Grant, not Grant. Jack. Okay, 2 votes Jack.
Really
2 votes Jack.
tense.
Yes, 2 votes Jack.
I voted Grant.
No, I got voted again.
It's like,
2 votes Bobby.
Oh, no, 2 votes you.
2 votes me.
No, Grant. One of us is gonna win.
We have a
and one of us
tie.
is gonna lose. I'm gonna say.
hello?
They're all gonna vote you off, Bobby.
What me? Wait.
Okay. Grant. Paul. Oh,
Because
Grant Paul.
you're
Oh, I'm stressing.
going after my ally. Because you're going after my ally, bro. Oh my gosh.
Bobby, you got
I
voted
know.
out.
Isn't that just toxic? Awkward silence by Grant.
Bye,
Grant, don't
sister.
worry. I'm gonna vote for you. Guys,
I probably
I guess I'll be back at the next jury.
would've-
I can't believe they voted me. Guys,
Dude, we've
They
been on
voted
this-
you because
we've been on
I
this
was trying to
call for an
protect
hour,
you,
by the way.
Grant. I was trying to protect you. Guys, I'm going to be back when we're at the jury next. I'm going to be spectating you, Grant, just letting you know. I'm going to be back when we're at the next tribal council, everyone. See you then.
Airline.
Guys, I'm back. I actually saved Grant. I helped Grant get the immunity idol. It was really fun, actually. You can check that.
Yeah, I mean, I did have to. So okay, Bobby, the first one I counted
You
wrong.
did? Wait, what was it?
Stupid.
It was.
But then it was actually 15 for the
Oh.
first one.
But you were close. Yeah.
Grant can't count. Grant can't count. Grant, you can't count.
But this is either the second to last or the last.
They can't vote me off, right? I really hope they can't.
No, they
vote me
can't.
off.
Because you have a community. They have to vote each other off, which is great. What if it's a tie for all of them? That'll be so cool. Jake, yes, it's vote to Jake.
Oh, it's
We're on
Jake.
Team Grant here, y'all. We're in the jury sitting out here.
Oh, it's a tie for all
I
of them.
wait. It's Ran free, bro.
No, it's Rowan.
Oh my
It's Rowan.
gosh.
It's Rowan.
No. Oh my gosh. That means the other two. Wait,
Okay.
Grant, who did you vote for?
At least it's
Grant,
not
who did you
me.
vote for?
I voted for Jake.
Oh. Oh. Wait, what if only two of them?
Grant has an intense
Oh my
game.
gosh. Oh, this is so
Oh,
cool.
I've got to win at least one. I've got to win this next one, and then if I win this next one, it'll be up to the jury.
Yeah.
I'm
That's
joining
gonna
Maya.
be really cool.
What's
Guys,
it?
I'm going to be right back at the next tribal meeting, which is actually... Oh yeah, the finale's going to be again shortly. I'm going to be right back, guys, at the next tribal
I'm
meeting.
literally.
I will be right
Oh my
there.
God, my heart is racing.
Guys, we're back. It was actually pretty
I know.
big. We didn't have another round. We're at the
Okay.
finale. I'm going to vote for Grant. I'm going to say... Wait, should I say vote for Car or no?
Oh, please vote for me. Don't say
Don't
that.
say it? Okay. Because that'll make everyone not vote for you, correct?
That's my thinking.
Yeah, same. Okay, well, we're just gonna stay here. It's gonna be nice. Okay, I'm really scared right now. Oh my gosh. Grant, this is gonna be crazy if you win.
Crazy
If
con.
I win, I will be really happy, but if I don't win, I won't be
You
unhappy.
won't be unhappy? Yeah, because... Wait, you will be unhappy or you won't be?
There's no point in being unhappy.
Okay, I'm voting for Grant. Jacob's taking a long time. Okay, vote for the winner. Car Guy Grant 500. Go, Grant, go! Woo-hoo! Go, Grant.
I just need one of these other people to vote for me.
I know.
Please vote for me.
I'm with Maya right now.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so... Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh, this is so... Who will it be, y'all? Who is it gonna be?
Oh. It's probably not gonna be me.
Grant, don't say that. I voted for you. First vote.
Yeah,
Jake.
same.
Oh, we need Grant. We need another vote. Grant. Cardi, Grant. Another one, Grant. Another one, Grant.
Oh,
Yes,
no.
yes,
Yes!
yes, Grant.
Yes!
Yeah. Go.
I
Yes.
love how all you guys are doing it.
Go. Go,
Yes.
Grant.
Thank you, Bobby. Thank you, Jaden.
Oh, yes.
All you guys are just yelling
Dudes.
now, especially.
This is a happy moment. I'm really happy. We did it.
Bobby, that's how
We did it.
Bobby reacts to Dynamite.
Hey, now I'm sitting on a stool. Hey, Grant, you want to sit with me?
I'm gonna hype like an epic gamer now.
I'm gonna say, we
Bobby, if you don't...
it. We did it. We did it, Grant.
Are you even recording?
This is a
Speed.
good moment. Grant, let's go do the outro right here, actually. Let's do the outro before we get kicked out of the game.
Okay. All right, everyone. Well, that was a lot of
Yeah, that
fun.
was-
Totally wasn't expecting
Yeah,
to win, but
no,
I
oh.
did.
Wait.
Oh, guys.
You won even at the bottom. What does that mean?
Guys. It was an hour of recording.
Well, we just got kicked out.
Oh,
So,
great,
bye,
no,
everyone.
great.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Great. Let's do our outro right here.
Okay, I'll do it over
here.
here.
Yes, do it right here. In front of the join a friend.
Oh my God! Look at you guys.
Okay,
Guys, you're
guys,
redoing your
we
intro,
started
huh?
with Jaden.
All right, well-
we ended with me and Grant. Well, we ended with Grant actually. Good job, Grant. Smack. Okay. I was like the fifth person out. Actually, it was still really fun. I really only missed one game, but yeah, it was still fun. Everyone, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the
I was the third
notification
person
bell.
out.
And Jaden,
I was the third.
you were? Oh no, you weren't. You didn't get out because your dad calls you. Remember? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video.
Yeah, my game.
It was really fun making this video with Grant and Jaden. Don't you guys agree?
Yeah, and I won.
Yes, Grant won.
For the first time, so
Yeah, that was really fun. What? Who's
Mood.
that clown there, y'all? Who's this?
Mood.
Do you see this clown, Grant? What is this?
Yeah, it looks like something Nicole would have. Anyways, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Good night.
See you guys all next time.
Good night, bro. This is like a 4 p.m.